In this video, I'm going to show you how you can copy and paste a document from DeepSeek to Word document just using your smartphone. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Now, I am here on my DeepSeek app and I'd like to go ahead and find the chart. So if you want to create a new chart, go ahead and create. But for my case, my document is already created and I'd like to go ahead and select this document here that you can see, and then paste it on a Word document just using my smartphone. Now, there are two ways you can copy this text. One, just head down to the end of the document and you'll see we have this option here. This is a copy function. So if you go ahead and tap on it, it will go ahead and copy the whole thread of this document and then exit it. And to paste it on Word document, we are going to use Google Docs. Don't worry, just go ahead and download the Google Docs if you don't have it. Otherwise, if you have it, go ahead and tap on it to open. From here, go ahead and create a new document by typing on plus. And for this case, we are not going to create a new Docs document, but a new Word file. And this is the second option. I'll go ahead and tap on it. And now to paste our document, there are two ways. You can either go ahead and tap on this summary. This is an introduction of what you had just copied. If you tap on it, it will highlight or paste the whole document here. The problem is you might want to go ahead and do some editing to make sure that the formatting is retained or is as to your standard. Alternatively, instead of using that summary, you can also go ahead and long press here where the cursor blinks and then use the option called paste here, and it will do you just the same. So that's the first method you can use to copy and paste this document in a Word document. Now in the second method, you may want to go ahead and this time around, instead of using this copy option here, you can also use the copy function that is available on this thread. So if you go ahead and long press anywhere, you can see we have this option called copy. So if you tap on it, it will also copy the whole of the document and you can go back and paste. Alternatively, if you just want to copy a section of this document, you can just go ahead again and long press on it and then choose this option called select text, and this will give you an option to select a specific portion of the text. And once you have selected it, put your cursor where you want to begin and move it to the end, and then now go ahead and tap on copy. Once you are done, go ahead and open your Word document to paste it. So that's the second method. So for this second method, just do the same, go back and then open your Google Docs, and here go ahead and paste your document by just typing on paste and it will be done. Now, once you are done, to save it as a Word document, you need to go ahead and tap on this done first, and you have to go ahead and change the title. When you change the title now, you will have to choose the format it will be saved. So give it a new title and then you have to choose whether you want to save on Google Drive or device. So for my case, I'll select Google Drive and then it will take me to this page. If you want to change this title, you can do so and then just tap on save, and this will go ahead and save it as a Word document, and you can see the conversion is happening here and now it has been saved as a Word document. So that's how you copy and paste text from DeepSeek to Word document. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.